Professor Dr. Sonali Kumre. My daughter Shreyali Kumre is a student of 5th standard Mount Carmel School, Washim. Today I am here to share my views regarding online classes conducted by Carmel School. Online classes is a no new concept, but during this pandemic time, it has become a compulsion for all the teachers to update themselves regarding how to conduct online lectures, which is not that easy because one have to update themselves regarding the technical aspect as well as how to engage and make topic understand to children during online classes. And since this is also a new concept for our children's, I am pleased and happy to share that Carmel teachers have worked hard in this regard, and they have really made all efforts in trying their best to make this online classes successful by using videos, text, clips, pics of particular topics. And then trying to make the topic more interesting, because since the physical interaction is not there, that's why. And it's a bit difficult to understand whether the child has understood the topic or not, like in the physical classroom. But the teacher has made, each and every teacher has made an effort to give a separate time for queries regarding topics, assignments, exams, even the projects. Though the teachers have tried their best to complete the syllabus in time, but still at times due to the network dropouts, the classes were not used to happen. But at the same time, the teachers have tried to take the extra classes by text messaging to each and every parent and reminding them about the extra classes and tried to complete their syllabus. One more thing adding to this review is regarding the time management of the families where the two children were there and both have to attend the classes. They have taken the classes taken at different timings, like in the morning, evening, and also in afternoons, which is a very good understanding the teachers have shown in this regard. Last but not least, this is not only my views, but this is many parents, they have given their views regarding that the Carmel teachers have successfully handled online classes and they are satisfied with the work of teachers. Lastly, I would like to thank Father Nelson, Sister Delcy, Vice Principal Oburai Miss, and all the teaching staff and technical team who have taken hard work to make this online classes successful during this pandemic time. Hope we come back to normal soon. Till that time, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, this is Sarika Lahuti, mother of Sneha and Aryan of Mount Carmel School. How are you? Hope you all are well and good. All of you know, due to coronavirus COVID-19 pandemic, schools and colleges have been shut from last 9 to 10 months, and there seems to be no sign of school and colleges have been reopened soon. But we can't remain static. We have to move forward. Taking the classes online has been a very welcome move for the students as well as parents. So definitely it is a very good option during this tough time. I would like to appreciate efforts taken by all teachers for conducting online classes. As all know, it is not possible for all students to attend classes at this challenging time. But I am very happy by the steps taken by the school management and teachers for wonderfully adapting to online platform and helping our children to be on track academically. The kind of efforts you teachers are putting into their studies really shows how dedicated and inclined you all are in shaping the better future of our children. I would like to appreciate the school management and teachers for preparing the curriculum in such a creative manner. My children are taking a lot of interest in doing all your assignments and giving their best to complete it. They always look forward for the online session, the PDF and videos shared by the teachers are always encouraging and gainful. Thanks for sharing such a wonderful videos. It helps overall development of the students. You teachers are really teaching with good patience and love. So I really like to thank Team Mount Carmel and for the help and support. At the last, kudos to the principal, teachers and school management for the tremendous efforts. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, myself Dr. Gurpreet Singh Sethi. My son Ashwin Singh Sethi is in class 1st of Mount Carmel School, Washim. Here I am today to praise the efforts taken by Mount Carmel School to be connected with students by the medium of MCS app in this era of pandemic where the world is in lockdown. Online classes are a new concept to all, be it teachers, students and also to us parents. But I must appreciate the efforts, the teachers and technical staffs, how well they have conducted online classes where schools were a big no in the beginning.
Teachers have tried all their best for these online classes, be it the syllabus completion, projects, assignments and even exams. Personal attention to every student, even through this virtual means, was also commendable. Though network issues were a bit of disturbance, but still it was managed well. Even the extracurricular activities like candle making, diya making and many more such activities were also conducted online. Finally, we want to thank Father Nelson, Sister Delcy, Primary Headmistress Oberoi teacher, teachers and all technical staff for these online classes and made this year fruitful for the kids at least. Thank you.
नमस्ते, मैं विजय छापरवाल।
मैं पाया छापरवाल।
आज हम लोग ऑनलाइन क्लासेस के विषय में अपने विचार बताना चाहते हैं। मेरा बेटा प्रणव छापरवाल लास्ट ईयर 8वीं कक्षा में माउंट कार्मेल स्कूल में पढ़ता था।
कोरोना वायरस की वजह से पिछले साल यानी मार्च 2020 से आज तक कोई भी चीजें नॉर्मल नहीं हुई है, चाहे घर हो, व्यापार हो या स्कूल हो। इस दौर में अगर कुछ अच्छा हुआ है तो वो है हमारे बच्चों के स्कूल के ऑनलाइन क्लास।
ऑनलाइन क्लासेस अच्छी तरह चलाए, इसलिए हम माउंट कार्मेल स्कूल के प्रिंसिपल फादर नेल्सन, सभी टीचर्स और मैनेजमेंट के आभारी है।
मैं हैट्स ऑफ करती हूँ उन टीचर्स को जिन्होंने ऑनलाइन क्लास अच्छे से चले इसके लिए जी जान लगाकर मेहनत की। क्लास को इंटरेस्टिंग बनाने के लिए उन्होंने हर संभव कोशिश की।
सभी समस्याएं आई होगी, जैसे नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम या कोई टीचर की दिक्कत भी हुई, पर टीचर रुकी नहीं, उन्होंने इम्प्रूव किया।
हम ये सारी बातें ऑनेस्टली और हर पहलू को देखकर इसलिए बता पा रहे हैं क्योंकि मेरी फैमिली से माउंट कार्मेल स्कूल में 3 बच्चे हैं।
ओवरऑल हम बस इतना कहना चाहते हैं कि प्रिंसिपल माउंट कार्मेल स्कूल और मैनेजमेंट ऑनलाइन क्लासेस अच्छे से चलाए, इससे हम सेटिस्फाई है।
अगर कुछ खामियां रही भी होंगी तो हमें उन्हें नजरअंदाज करके पॉजिटिव तरीके से सोचना चाहिए। मुझे लगता है हमें चाहिए कि हम खुद को टीचर्स की जगह रखें। हम टीचर्स की जगह रखकर अगर खुद को देखेंगे तो हमें पता चलेगा कि ये इतना आसान नहीं है। क्या ये इतना आसान है? जी नहीं, यह बहुत मुश्किल है। मुझे एक छोटा सा वीडियो बनाने के लिए कहा गया था, उसमें मैंने 8 दिन लगाए। तो सोचिए टीचर्स ने रोज ऑनलाइन क्लास लेने के लिए कितनी मेहनत की होगी।
थैंक्स लॉट टू प्रिंसिपल फादर नेल्सन एंड द स्टाफ ऑफ माउंट कार्मेल स्कूल।
मैं मेरे बेटे प्रणव छापरवाल की क्लास टीचर रुशाली मैम, ओबेरॉय मैम, कैथरीन टीचर, स्वप्निल सर और रीता टीचर, सुजाता टीचर और मोनिका मैम, इन सभी का तहे दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करूंगी क्योंकि इन लोगों ने ऑनलाइन क्लास, प्रोजेक्ट, असाइनमेंट ये सब लेकर मेरे बेटे प्रणव छापरवाल को पूरा साल एक्टिव रखा। थैंक यू फादर, थैंक यू माउंट कार्मेल स्कूल।
थैंक यू।